So now, next thing we'll be learning is how ethanol and alcohol is made from sugars by fermentation using yeast. Alcohols. The alcohols are arranged in a logical order. The alcohols, as a homogeneous series, have a similar basic formula. In molecular formulae, the vary of neighboring compounds by CH2. Physical features such as boiling points indicate a steady shift, have chemical properties in common. So the hydroxyl group, OH, is the functional group of the alcohols. It is a control of the normal alcohol reactions. It's important not to mix up the minus OH group with the OH minus hydroxide ion. Making of ethanol by fermentation. Ethanol is an alcohol beverage that includes beer, wine, and other alcoholic beverages. It is often used as a car diesel, either alone or in a combination with gasoline. Fermentation will contain ethanol, which can be concentrated using fractional distillation. So the fermentation. Fermentation is an anaerobic mechanism that takes place in the absence of oxygen. Carbon dioxide plus alcohol equals plus ethanol. The enzymes required for the fermentation are provided by yeast, a single-celled fungus. Fermentation occurs very slowly or not at all if the yeast cells get too cold. The enzymes in yeast cells become denatured as they become too wet and fermentation ceases. The typical conditions needed for fermentation include sugars dissolved in water and mixed with yeast, an airlock to allow carbon dioxide out while stopping air getting in, warm temperatures such as between 25 to 35 degrees Celsius. The yeast dies when the ethanol concentration reaches about 15%. Fermentation is a slow reaction and takes several days or weeks to finish if the air present. If air is present, the oxygen causes the ethanol to oxidize to ethanoic acid, so the drink tastes vinegar.